Hey everyone, today we are going to learn how to raise sales credit note in VT transaction. So for this we'll go in transaction menu. Here you can see sales credit note. If I click here, we'll get this kind of interface. Okay, and this is the shortcut button of sales credit note. Now first of all we have to select a particular customer. Here I am going to write sales return, and in this credit note I am going to raise full amount credit note, means the customer 2 has balance 3000, so I am going to raise full amount credit note, that is 3000. In analysis ledger I'll select the same ledger which I had selected at the time of making sales invoices of particular customer. Save and close. Now you can see our entry here. If I go in customer tab, customer 2 has 0 amount. Okay, now you can see both the entries, sales as well as sales return, in open entries tab. So we have to select both the entries. Okay, and after that we'll match off both the entries by clicking this button. Once I click here, it will be removed from open entries because both the entries would be match off against each other. But all the entries of current year you can see in current year tab. Okay, and to undo the process I'll select the entry and click this button, remove allocation marks. As you can see, both the entries again appear in open entries tab. Okay, now let's raise another credit note against customer 1, and this time I am going to take partial amounts credit note. So customer 1 has balance 12,000 and I am going to raise credit note of 1200. And save. If I go in customer account, now customer 1 has balance 10,800, sales amount 12,000, sales return 1200, and pending amount 10,800. Now if I select both the entries and match off against each other, then you can see both entries are still appear in open entries tab because the remaining amount 10,800 is yet to paid. Okay, so let's raise another credit note of pending amount, that is 10,800. Now in customer 1 you can see 0 balance. Now if I click here and if I do match off, then it will be removed from open entries tab. Okay, as you can see, but all entries of the current year would be appear in current year's tab, as you can see here. Now if I undo the process, it will be again appear in open entries tab. Okay, now let's match off all the entries against each other by selecting all the entries. So this way you can raise sales credit note and set off sales credit note again specific or particular sales invoices. So this is for today. Thanks for watching. Can you like the video and subscribe the channel? Thank you.